chapter Expert Detectives. I wrote in large block letters, who is saying I, who is I? The girl. Maya is the girl. Catching a crook. Expert detectives Nishad and Maya Pandit by appointment to the whole world. By appointment means officially chosen. Then I began writing. The I is Maya. About half an hour later, I turned towards Seven, who was lying on his tummy, chin cupped in his arms, reading comics. Want to hear what I have written? I asked. Then she is saying that she started writing, and half an hour later, she turned towards Seven, her brother, who was lying on his tummy. He was lying on his tummy as we lie on our back. He was lying on his tummy, chin cupped in his palms. पतीलियों में ऐसे he is, as it is clear from the picture, reading comics. So she asked, want to hear what I have written? She asked him. He looked up questioningly. Questioningly means as if he was asking, he wanted to know something. I have listed all the facts we know about Mr. Nath, which might help us to trap him, I said. Want to hear? And what did she say? She said, I have listed all the facts. All the facts, she has written them about Mr. Nath, and which will help him to trap him, catch him. Want to hear? She asked him if he wanted to hear. Seven nodded. Fact number 1. I read, his name is Mr. Nath. We must discover his first name. First name means Mr. Nath, as my name is Kushal Nan, so my first name is Kushal. So he wanted to discover what his first name was. Do you think that's his real name? Maya Nishad asked. Probably not, I said. Most crooks have an alias. I added a big question mark after Nath. Alias means they have an alternate name. Fact number 2. I read on. पढ़ने लगी. The tenants at Shankar House say he is mad, strange and unfriendly. And the tenants at Shankar House, tenants are those who are living on rent. They said that he is mad, strange and unfriendly. Who is mad? Mr. Nath. Number 3. He doesn't talk to anyone and is mannerless. What is his third fact about him? That he doesn't talk to anyone and is mannerless. But he did talk to us. Maya and Mama says he is very polite. Nishad interrupted. And he said कि वो हमारे साथ बात की माया और मम्मा कहती हैं he is very polite. Nishad interrupted means cut in, spoke in between. He only talked to us because he had to, I said. And since he was under Mama's medical treatment, he had to be polite. Or she said कि he talked to us because he had to, because he was his mother's patient and he had to be polite. Fact number 4, he doesn't receive any letters. He doesn't receive any letters means no letter comes to him. 7 nodded. Okay, he nodded. Number 5, he's been living in room number 10 of Shankar House for more than a year. I continued. वो रूम नंबर 10 में रह रहे हैं शंकर हाउस में 1 साल से पहले से. He doesn't work and sits in his room all day. कहते वो काम नहीं करता and he sits in his room. Number 7, the kids at Shankar House and even some of the grown-ups are scared of him. They are afraid of him. Scared of him means afraid of him. Number 8, he has no visitors except for a spectacles, fair fat man who visits on him on Sundays for lunch. उसको कोई मिलने नहीं आता. Only a man visitor who comes on Sunday for lunch with him. Number 9, food and tea are taken to his room by Ramesh from the restaurant downstairs, and all the food and tea are taken to his room. He doesn't go outside to the hotel or anywhere. The tea and food comes to his room and Ramesh brings it. He doesn't care what he eats, pays his bill immediately and tips well. That ends my list. Have I forgotten anything? 7. And then she said he pays, he doesn't care what he eats. He eats the same food every day. He doesn't care for it. And he pays his bill immediately at once and tips also. That ends my list. She said that I have only these facts about Mr. Nath. Have I forgotten anything? कि मैं कुछ भूल तो नहीं गई हूँ? Nishad had clearly not been paying too much attention to my list of facts, and he was not paying any attention. All he could say was, "Poor man Maya, he must be so lonely if he doesn't have any friends." And what he said, he didn't listen to his sister's list, but only he was bothered about Mr. Nath, ki poor man Maya, he doesn't have any friends. "How can a crook have friends, idiot?" I almost shouted, and Maya shouted and said कि crook के क्या friends हो सकते हैं. "At least he has one friend, the one who meets him on Sundays," said Nishad. He said that he had one friend who meets him on Sundays. A brilliant thought came to me just then. That man must be Mr. Nath's accomplice in crime. Accomplice means helper in crime, साथी उसका. I said, maybe he keeps all and he comes then to give part of it to his partner. And he said कि he keeps all the loot, whatever they are. She says he is a criminal and he loots, and whatever he has to part of it to his partner, Mr. Nath, for expenses. That's it. I am sure I am right. If you insist on calling me criminal, I don't think I want to discuss anything with you, Maya. कहने लगा, if you talk to him, call him criminal, I don't think anything is to be discussed. He can't be such a bad man if he gives Ramesh such generous tips. कैसे he cannot be bad man if he is giving tips to Ramesh. Ramesh probably knows something about his past, so Mr. Nath must be bribing him to keep quiet, I said. रमेश कहते हैं रमेश को उनके बारे में सब कुछ पता होगा, उसके पास्ट के बारे में. That's why Mr. Nath is bribing, means give money to keep the person mouth shut or him quiet. Nishad glared at him with his eyes tightly crossed across his chest, and with his arms tightly crossed across his chest. Nishad glared at him, घूरने लगा. I was beginning to get fed up with him. How can we make any progress with our investigations if you take that attitude? 7, I asked. कहते हैं we can't progress in our investigation if your attitude is like that. I'll cooperate only if you give up this idea about him being an escaped crook, said 7. कहता I'll cooperate, I'll help you only if you give up this idea, इस विचार को छोड़ दो, that he has been an escaped crook. You really make me angry. मुझे गुस्सा आ जाता है, मुझे गुस्सा दिलाते हो. I almost hit him. I make you angry, you stupid oaf, I shouted. You make me mad. And what she said कि तुम मुझे गुस्सा दिलाते हो, you stupid, and I shouted, you make me mad. What is the point of all these inquiries if he is not a crook? कहता है ओके, व्हाट इज़ द इस इंक्वायरीज की क्या जरूरत है अगर वो क्रूक ही नहीं है. इफ़ यू थिंक ही इज़ अ नोबडी, व्हाट्स द आइडिया ऑफ बॉदरिंग अबाउट हिम, प्लीज़ टेल मी. कहते हैं कि इफ़ यू थिंक ही इज़ नोबडी, कुछ भी कोई भी नहीं है, तो व्हाट इज़ आइडिया ऑफ बॉदरिंग, टेक ट्रबल about him, she said. Please tell me. Nishad looked thoughtful. He started thinking. I would like to find out why he is so thin and why he is so lonely. And Nishad was thoughtful and he said that he wanted to find out why he was so thin and why so lonely, why he doesn't have any friends. I want to know why he doesn't have any friends and lives alone. And what Nishad said, I want to find out why he lives alone and why he doesn't have any friends. Try to understand, 7, I told him. If he's lived in Shankar house for a year and hasn't made a single friend, there's something wrong. कहते हैं समझने की कोशिश करो 7 कि मैंने उसको बोला अगर if he has been living in Shankar house for a year, 1 साल से वो रह रहे हैं, तो उसने एक भी सिंगल फ्रेंड नहीं बनाया. there's something wrong, कुछ गलत है. he is obviously scared that someone will recognize him and give him up to the cops. और वो obviously he is scared, वो डरा हुआ है that someone will recognize, will identify him and they will give him up to the cops. Cops mean police. Maybe no one's tried to make friends with him. और कोई उससे friends नहीं बनाना चाहता होगा. Nishad protested. Why should anyone bother? You have seen what a nasty bear he is, I said. Nasty bear means a large mammal, nasty bear, large mammal कहते हैं, he is like that only. I don't care, said Nishad stubbornly. Stubbornly means firmly. I like him and I am going to try and be his friend. कहता I like him. I don't call him a criminal. I don't think he's a crook. I like him and I'll make him my friend. Friends with a crook. Ha, you are crazy. You are mad. 7, I said. The cops will take you to jail with him. And she said, you are making friend with a crook, and the cops, the police will come and also take you to jail. Do you want what to happen? That to happen, you idiot. ऐसा कराना चाहते हो तुम? She calls his brother. Nishad merely glared at him and quietly walked out of the room. And he glared at him, looked at her, and walked out of the room. My theories seem to have made no impression on him at all. और जो मेरी theories थी, whatever I was thinking, I was finding out, he hadn't any impression, means he hadn't any effect on him, and he on him at all. At all means the least. He was least bothered about what she was investigating, what she was doing. So this was the chapter.